Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can export your audio as an MP3 file in Audacity. So after you're done editing and everything you're done, you want to head over to File. Yes, you don't want to head over to Edit. You just want to head over to File. Once you're in File, if you want, you can save your project so that you can later on change if there's something you want to change. But yeah, you can always save your project, and after that you just want to head over down here and then you just want to press on export as MP3. Once you press on export as MP3, it's gonna be untitled obviously. Then you can just put it as a title as whatever you want, like put that, and then from here you can select the other file format you want, but we just want it to be MP3. Our quality is apparently insane, and so we're just gonna press it on save. And over here you can do more adding. I'm just gonna do one S1 22 year. It's gonna be from the year 1995. Actually, make it the year of 0001. And the genre is stupid. And with that, that should be it. Now, if you go to our desktop over here, as you can see, Papa is... Okay, that is very loud, so we're just gonna decrease the volume. And it's the same thing as here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.